What's up, guys? DK here. Welcome to the channel. In this video, we're talking about myEcon credit repair. And man, oh man, it's really getting exciting now because we are about to unveil the first ever myEcon credit repair sales page. Yes, you heard me correctly. So as far as I know, this does not exist anywhere else. And this is only exclusively with our team. That is the funnel team. More information on that link in the description down below. But we just launched this to our team this past week. And I got to tell you, they are fired up and excited. So now, not only on the funnel team, do we have 4 different funnels that we offer you guys that actually sell the business. We have a $20 funnel, meaning, they enter at the $19.95 level, which is the discounted FSM membership. We also have a $100 funnel. We have a webinar replay funnel, and we have our newest system, which we launched just a couple of weeks ago. So there's 4 different funnels that you could be sharing to build and grow your myEcon business. And now what's even more exciting, we've done something that we've literally never done before. And we now have a sales page just for one of the products. Now, with the funnel team, we've always had stuff that is business driven, make money online driven. And now we've done something that we've never done before. And we've actually created a sales page, sales video, all the copy and everything all around the product, which is really awesome. And this is one of myEcon's core products, which is their credit repair. And it is now officially live. And again, like I mentioned, it's exclusive just to our team. So I'm going to show you the sales page here. And obviously, if you want to get your hands on this and you want to start using this too, then I would strongly suggest you get on our team. Link in the description down below. Get yourself started and get access to this. And I got to tell you, I already have people that are messaging me right now. I already have people that are flipping out over this new sales page. So what I'm going to do here in a second is I want to show you the sales page. And of course, like I mentioned, you need to be on our team. This is exclusive and proprietary to our team. This is not for all of myEcon. I have so many of you that are already in myEcon. You'll message me directly, or you'll drop a comment here on my YouTube video saying, hey, can I get your system? Can I get your funnels? If I'm on a different team. The answer to that is no, my friend. That's what makes this exclusive to our team. That's what also, I want you to think about it. That's part of our value stack. That's what makes us us. That's what makes us different from any other team that's not only here in myEcon, but also in any other business opportunity out there. We do all of this stuff for our team. We have a killer, massive value stack that makes our team appealing compared to any other business because of the value that we offer, all the done for you systems, the funnels, the email follow-up, the app, the sales pages that I'm about to show you, like all of those things. That's what makes it easy for the average person to get started. And those are the things that allow our team to duplicate and to grow because of what's in that value stack, because what is offered to you. And we can't offer that to all of one company, because then that dilutes what makes us special and what makes us different and what makes people want to join us. If we would just completely dilute that, if we just gave everything away to the entire company, then it just might as well be we're just company members. We're not us. But anyway, you can decide to do what you want to do. If you want to build out your own stuff, you certainly can, but just a little explanation there on what makes us a little more unique. So let's go check out the actual credit repair sales page. Okay. So this is now live. Again, the feedback has just been absolutely phenomenal out there. So here you go, my friend. And it's focused on, I'm going to give you kind of a story behind the story and why I created the credit page the way that I did. So first off, what I did is I went out and I sourced out all of the credit repair programs that are out there. So I did my homework. I went out and I sourced out different credit repair programs. I looked at their price point. I looked at their sites. I saw what was on there, and then, wanted to come similar to what other people were offering for, the verbiage that they had on their pages, the images that they had on their pages, the price points. And I think that's where, 100% we're going to hit an absolute home run. And I'm going to walk you through that as we dive into this a little bit more. But this is a true landing page or sales page just specifically for the credit repair. And I haven't seen this anywhere else in my econ. I'm pretty sure, and someone correct me if I'm wrong, drop a comment down below if you know, but I haven't seen anyone do anything like this. My econ doesn't even have its own standalone credit repair sales page. Now on the products, you can go buy the travel separately, you can go buy some other things separately, but you cannot get just the credit repair by itself, not with the sales page like this anyway. Okay. So obviously this button here is going to go direct to the sign up page, and we're focusing on the $19.95 entry level. And I'll explain why we're doing that here in a minute. So obviously a little explanation about the credit repair right there. And then we have a credit repair video sales letter, or VSL, that I put together. Okay. I wrote this script, recorded the video, edited the video, all of those good things. In my opinion, it's a killer video. It's only 3 minutes long, which is really, really awesome. And it just dives into exactly what they're going to get, how much it's going to cost, a lot of detail, a lot of information in there. So then you have that, a little bit about how it works, what we're going to do. And this is right off of myEcon's training on their credit repair system. So basically you have like the 4 steps right there. Okay. And then we make it easy, right? Yes, they want to fix. And this is, what I got from other systems that are out there. Yes, there are actual systems, credit repair systems that charge up to $80 per month and even $50 per month. And what's cool is, what I want you guys to realize is that credit repair, it's not just a one-time, like you pay it and it's done. All of these credit repair programs that you see right on your screen, and these are the ones that I went out there and I researched and I found, you would think it might just be like a one-time fee, but it's not. They all charge a monthly fee. So for us to be coming in at $19.95 blows all of these away, which is really, really cool. Okay. So we have that on there. Obviously, we have some feedback on there. We have the risk-free guarantee, all of those things. And yeah, very, very fired up and excited for that. Good, clean page, and it competes with everything that's out on the market right now. So fired up and excited for that. If you want to get access to this credit repair sales page, you have to be on our team. Okay. So link in the description down below, get yourself started. You have to be on our team to get access to this. Period. End of story. Okay. So if you're elsewhere in myEcon, you're not going to be able to use this, unfortunately, because this is proprietary to our team. So appreciate you watching, my friend. Super fired up and excited. The business is growing. The team is growing every single week. And now we have another tool in our tool belt, my friend. So not only can we get out there and we can go market the business, but we're also going to be able to start marketing the products with their own standalone pages. And yes, over the next, probably 6 months or so, I'm going to be creating more sales pages just like this that market, say, just the income shifting or just the travel membership. And they're going to be custom built pages just for our team. So hopefully you guys are fired up and excited for that. If you're not on our team, do me a favor, link in the description down below. Get on our team right now. Trust me, my friend, it's much better to be here on the inside and have access to everything that you need versus standing there on the outside, looking in, doubting, debating, pondering, wondering, wishing, hoping, all of those things. My friend, action cures fear. So get here on the inside and be part of this. If you have any questions for me, I left my phone number right at the top of this video, or you can grab that down below. Send me a text message. Ask me anything. Thank you, my friend. See you on the next one.